Hi everyone, I'm going to go through some basic project information that you can include when setting up your job. I'm on the All Projects tab right now and I'm going to create a new project. From here, I'll give it a name. I'll leave the project in the prospective stage right now, but you can see the other stages that I can choose from. I'll enter some remodel data, and maybe I would include a more detailed description as well on this project. I have an address, and then I'm going to select a customer account if I have an existing one for this client already. Important to note that this is just the account, and then within accounts, you can have multiple contacts. Now I can enter some additional prospect information to better track this on the All Projects tab. I'm going to enter myself as a prospect owner. A lot of times this is the estimator or the salesperson on the job, potentially the project manager as well. And then I might add some prospect notes as well if I wanted to enter some more detailed information. Now I can also change the financial structure of this job. Right now I have it on cost plus and organizing my budget by the cost codes, but I can also toggle over to fixed price. And if I go to fixed price, you'll see some additional choices that you can make just in terms of how you communicate selections and allowances out to your clients. I can also add team members to this job if I'd like. Remember, there are 3 levels of team member: admin, team member, and field user. And I have several options right here, or I can search through it on my team. I'm going to go ahead and submit. And now I have a new job. Of course, it'll start with a blank estimate. And if I wanted to get more detailed after I've created it, I can go to the project settings and can add more information from here as well, including a cover photo that would be communicated out to your client in their portal. Let us know if you have any questions when setting up projects, and specifically reach out to your customer success coach if you have any questions. Thanks.